how to unsubscribe from Nextdoor emails. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you annoyed from too many emails from Nextdoor and want to unsubscribe from them? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then first check the email associated with the Nextdoor account, and then go to that email account, open up the Gmail, and then open up the email that you have received from Nextdoor. Now you can see unsubscribe option right there. You just need to tap on it, and then you can see that to stop getting messages from this mailing list, you'll need to go to their website and unsubscribe. So you can go to the website, and then you can see that unsubscribe has been successful and you will no longer receive the following email. So you can do the same with other mails. So you need to unsubscribe at least 10 emails and then it will stop sending you these kind of emails. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.